I've been involved with small business for most of my adult life, anywhere from bookkeeping to taxi driving. I think that my problem is that I get bored too easily. My name is Odi Ruvini and my business is called Cup O Flora. Cup O Flora are self-watering pots that look beautiful and allow plants to live longer. While I was traveling overseas, I saw a similar idea that I thought this looks really cool, but I think I can make it even better. And then I created what you see in front of you at the moment. The way the product works is by using a wick mechanism that pulls the water from the external pot, giving just enough water to the plant so the plant is always happy. They host a variety of plants, herbs, succulents, tropical. We sell our product through a chain of retailers all around Australia and overseas. They select their own plants to suit their market and their climate. The end customers are people like you and me that really love plants, but they say, we're not plant people, we're not sure whether we could keep this plant alive. Cup O Flora solved this problem. All they need to do is lift it up, take it to the tap, put 2 centimeters of water, give it a little bit of light and a lot of love, and it's done. As the business grows, because I set up Payroll on QuickBooks, it's very, very simple to add employees. You can easily set them up depending on whether they're casual or full-time and process it together with the payroll every month. It's simple. With single-touch payroll, you send data to the ATO every time you process a paycheck. That keeps you compliant all the time. I like QuickBooks because it's simple and also versatile at the same time. I like the dashboard that allows you to see everything in one go, and I like the fact that you can get the transaction from your bank account and reconcile the accounts very easily. On a daily basis, I invoice and I love the fact that you can easily send it to the client and gauge whether they paid or whether it's still outstanding. I would absolutely recommend QuickBooks to other small businesses. I think it's a very simple program that anyone can start with. You can take it from the basics and then expand as you know more, as you have better understanding of your business, and all the information is out there as well. There's nothing else to worry about.